In our daily operations is more of the day-to-day, what we call break fix, right? You're out there working in the field, you drop your tablet, you need another one. You know, that's a typical daily request that my team populates.
We do break fixes for tickets, and we have those every day. It's heavy between software issues and physical damage, whether they drop it or throw it or whatever the case may be.
I repair devices that comes in from our clients, either devices that need to be basically sent back out the same day. We have the parts in stock, we normally repair them and send them back out right away. Mostly we handle mobile devices and tablets.
iPads,
Galaxy Tab S2s,
PCs,
Moto Z2s, 10.1s,
desktops, and laptops.
Samsung tablets. So with those, I have to take them apart. You lift the screen up, replace the new screens. Those and my iPhone's repairs are very common, from bent frames to water damage.
If we get two devices that are broken in different ways, I can take those two, put them together. Instead of losing two laptops, they get to keep one and the rest is parts. So I'll take the LCD panels out of them. I keep case parts. If you drop it and crack the case, I can replace the case. Everything's done in less than an hour.
Some of our clients worked with multiple vendors. Previously, they would, maybe have this vendor handle all the laptops and this one handle all the smart devices. Over time, we've seen the emergence of tablets and things like that. So really, these devices are being consolidated, so they need a single place where you have a staff that can do both. A staff that can work on laptops, that can work on Windows machines, can work on Mac OS systems, as well as the smartphone that everybody has in their pockets now. We're able to provide all of that, so we do try to be a one-stop shop.